All right, here we are, August 19th in Coeur d'Alene Resort, and I'm sitting here with Richard. Richard, tell me a little bit about your timeshare and why you chose the Newton Group to exit out of your timeshare today.
Sure. I own a timeshare week with Imperial Hawaii in Waikiki Beach in Hawaii, and I've owned it for about 35 years. And over the last 5 to 10 years, the maintenance fees have increased dramatically. And I'm getting older, and I don't use it that much. So I've been investigating for 2 or 3 years how to extricate myself from the timeshare, and did some research, and the Newton Group stood out in that research as an organization that could help me with that more than any other. So that's why I'm here.
Fantastic. And how do you feel about the information that was given to you today?
Information was very professionally provided, and I especially appreciated Ruben's answering of all of my questions, and I had lots of them, especially providing some actual examples of how those answers applied to my questions.
Wonderful.
And I was really appreciative and impressed by all the information that was provided.
And you would recommend us to anybody that
I
you know?
would recommend the Newton Group to anybody who's looking towards trying to extricate themselves from a timeshare.
Thank you, Richard.
You're welcome.